Hey, Chef D here. I'm gonna take you on a trip to one of my favorite places in the whole entire universe. That's the Kitchener Market. I've been coming to the Kitchener Market for over 40 plus years. I think almost 50 plus years, actually, now that I think about it. Some amazing vendors. You're gonna meet some of the vendors that I've dealt with and supported over the years. And some of them have been here for almost 100 years. Hey, won't you join me? I'm Chef D. Let's go to the market. I'm going to try and follow the arrows as we go. Blue Horizon blueberries, they grow 11 different varieties of blueberries here in Ontario. It's been absolutely fantastic. Again, a slow start because we had such a cold spring that the blueberries, it took a little bit longer. They actually didn't get out till about 3 weeks ago. And now they have a full range of all different kinds. Who doesn't love summertime and having the ability to have fresh peaches? We have Porso Orchard. They're from Forest, Ontario, which is not in the Niagara region, but they grow some amazing peaches, and then they follow it up with apples throughout the later in the season. You can do them on the grill, and they're gonna be absolutely fantastic. Hey, I'm here at Fleetwood Farms. Not only do they bring in melons, corn, a whole bunch of different vegetables, they bring in some great pea shoots for me as well. You've been coming to the market for how long?
Since 1978.
That's a long time.
It is. This is third generation.
Wow, well, and great apples as well. I get my Macintosh apples from you on a regular basis. I'm gonna grab some broccoli, and I'm gonna grab some potatoes as well. One of the newer vendors here at the Kitchener Market. You've been here for how long now selling the mushrooms?
About 5 years.
About 5 years? That's new in the market business, trust me. So you have all different varieties and sourcing locally?
Yes. The farm is in Putnam.
Putnam, okay.
Just west of Woodstock.
So what's your favorite mushroom?
The cremini.
I know, right? They're just the best.
They're almost the most popular.
Yeah.
Easy to cook with, easy to cut up clean.
Yeah.
Very versatile.
Okay, so I think I should take some oysters and some cremini.
Yeah.
We're here at Wagner Vegetable Gardens. I think these are the sweetest carrots ever. I might take some of the yellow peppers as well. And I'm gonna take one thing of tomatoes and then we're good to go. My cousin here at the market. Abby, say hi to everybody. We're here with Mary Jane at the Bast Cheese area. And Mary Jane always has some nice surprises for me. And you guys have been doing this for how long now?
97 years.
97 years. I've ordered some blueberry cheese. I have my Parmesan Reggiano, but I need an aged cheddar. Like, what should I get?
I would say either the 5 or the 7. They're both very good.
They take blocks of cheddar and they actually age it in their fridges, and they have some up to 10 years old. Fantastic, fantastic cheeses. And she also brings in cheeses from around the world. I've had some amazing Camemberts, some amazing Bries, some great cheese, raw milk cheese from Quebec. 7-year-old cheddar. It doesn't get much better than this. Do you want a coffee, cameraman?
Yes, I do.
I always come here, Serena Coffee. Absolutely fantastic, great coffee. They roast it right here at the Kitchener Market. Can I get 2 of my regulars, please? Sure. So we finished shopping. We're up here in the kitchen at the Kitchener Market, and I'm going to make a peach and blueberry cobbler. Simple, easy. I've taken our fresh peaches. And this is what's so great about when you're actually cooking the fruit. It doesn't have to be that really soft, ripe. You probably wanted that it has a little bit of bite to it. And so we're gonna put this in our pan. There's nothing fancy about this. This is what's so great about this. And then we're gonna surround it with blueberries. Just like so. Now, you notice we're not putting any sugar on our blueberries or our peaches right now. You don't really need that because we're gonna have a really sweet topping. So we're making a crumb topping with a little bit of brown sugar, a whole lot of butter. We have oats and we have some whole wheat organic flour. So I'm gonna put our flour, add our brown sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, our butter. So this is about a cup of butter. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna incorporate it so it becomes that crumb with the butter. And this takes probably in real time about 1 to 2 minutes. It's starting to come together. You can just start seeing that the butter and flour have kind of incorporated together. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of oats to it. And we're gonna finish it. So we have our blueberries, our peaches. Now we have this beautiful crumb. And you're just gonna put this over top. And again, it doesn't have to be that perfect. You just wanna make sure the butter's incorporated, the crumbs over your fruit. We're gonna put it into our oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until the fruit starts to soften. It's nicely brown now, and you can just start seeing the fruit has started to melt and come apart. So we're gonna take some out of, look at that. Look at how good this looks. You notice that I put a cloth over my handle just to remind me this is hot. Trust me, how many times I've burnt myself doing that. So be really careful. Let this cool down for a second. A great recipe using some amazing ingredients found at the Kitchener Market. So simple, so easy, and so tasty. Look at that. If you want to, you can turn them over halfway through the cooking process. We're not gonna look at it for about 2 hours. The whole house is gonna smell amazing. And the meat's gonna be tender. Hi, who's that? Nicely done. The bricks are beautiful. It doesn't need to be a whole lot. It's just gonna give it a little bit of flavor.